Hi everyone, so today we'll learn how to download and install GitHub desktop app. As you can see, currently I'm on google.com and simply you need to search here GitHub desktop app. It will be very first website. You can see the domain is desktop.github.com. Simply click on it. Here you will find the download link. Just click on it. So you can see the download has started. Now as you can see, the download is done. Simply click on the exe file. Click on run. You can minimize the browser. So as you can see, currently GitHub desktop app is being installed and it is written here, it will launch once it's done. Once the installation is done, you will get this sort of a UI and the icon in the desktop. Now here, simply click on sign into GitHub. It will open a browser, and if you're already logged in, you'll get this sort of a output. Because I'm already logged in, I simply need to click on continue here. In your case, it might ask for the username and password, so just do so. After that, simply click on authorize desktop, provide your password, click on confirm, click on open electron, your username and the email will show up here. Simply click on finish. So here you can see I got two projects. So here you can see I got two repos in my GitHub account and they are showing up here. I can pick any one of them. For example, let's go with this test. Click on clone. So cloning has started. Now if I want to open this project in Visual Studio Code, I simply need to click here. So you can see I got my project here with all the files. So I hope you understood how to download and install GitHub desktop app in your Windows operating system. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.